Alright, hello Lucien. This is a video to help you with math. So today with our math tutorial,
Breaking news.
we're gonna do this math question.
So this is
2x.
I'm filming vertically. Maybe that's not good.
It doesn't matter, whatever.
Oh yeah, wait, it's long division.
You're just gonna find it very funny.
No, there you go.
12 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so what you're gonna do for this, I'm just gonna recopy this down here. We're gonna do some long division, baby. So you should be very excited. So you recopy this down here. We're just gonna, like pretend this doesn't exist anymore. And then it's gonna be a long video. Holy.
You forgot the cube.
Oh, did I? Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's definitely useful to have the cameraman. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna divide this by this, and then you're gonna put it up here. That makes 2x. Okay. And then, so what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna multiply this by this and put it down here. So this times this would make 2x. Okay, and then you're gonna multiply that by that, which gives you minus 2x. Okay. And then you remove this from that, and that gives you 0. Minus x, okay, because you're doing minus. And then you take this, and then you divide it by this. And then you put it up here, and that gives you minus x. And then you kind of do the same thing again. You take this down here. You do minus x times x, which is equal to minus x au carré, and then you do minus x times -1, which is plus x. Then you pull that again, you subtract this from that, and that gives you 0 plus 7x. And then finally you got this. So you do the 7x divided by x again, and then that gives you plus 7. So you have this part, but now you just need to find the rest, and then you just got to do this a second time. So you do 7 times x, which gives you 7x, and then you do 7 times -1, which gives you minus 7, and then do that minus that, and you get minus 5. So the rest is minus 5, and then the thing itself is this here. This is your answer. And we can verify this by multiplying this by this. And it's going to make a lot more sense why this works once I do this. I wonder if you can actually hear me.
To make it more like legit,
Yeah.
Also, my arm. Oh my god, I can't. I'm not built to be a teacher, dude. Okay, so you multiply this by this, and that gives you 2x. I'll do it like that. And then you multiply this by this, minus 2x. Okay. Notice that that's exactly that right there. And then you add, so then we're going to do this one, which is negative x au carré, and then plus x. Notice that that's also this right here. And then you do the last one. Oh, also you need to do, sorry, I forgot. You gotta do minus the s, or plus the s.
Or you could ignore it and it's gonna show the difference later.
Yeah, exactly, it doesn't really matter. And then you keep going, you do 7 times that, and then that gives you
windy outside. Je suis tombée.
7x
Yeah, I fell.
minus 7
Dead ass, I fell.
minus
Are you
5.
okay?
Then yeah, this is also the same as right down here.
I was sweating.
Um,
The first thing that happened, someone takes a picture.
and
of me.
then
I was literally dying. I was like, what? Why are you taking a picture of me? That's so funny. Yeah. But it was fun afterwards. Lesson moral of the story: don't trust Emma. Yeah. With directions.
Okay, so as you can see, this works. Ta-da! And yeah, essentially what you're doing here is you're removing like each part of the division iteratively, and then you're doing it further down. Like I have it in my head, but I don't really know how to explain it. But hopefully this makes sense to you, Lucien, and goodbye. All right.